Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talk English. I'm Chloe. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this episode gives you a little more confidence to speak English.
And I'm Ethan. Today's message is simple, but it could change the way you learn English. So relax, listen carefully, and let's begin together.
Ethan, can I ask you something? Why do so many people wait before they start speaking English?
Because they think they need to be perfect first. They believe they need more grammar, more vocabulary, or better pronunciation before they can speak.
I used to think the same way. I always told myself, maybe next month I'll be ready. But next month became another month, and nothing changed.
That's a very common story. Many learners spend years preparing, but they never give themselves permission to simply start speaking.
Here's something important. Nobody learns to speak by waiting. We learn by speaking, making mistakes, and trying again.
Think about riding a bicycle. You don't learn by reading books about bicycles. You learn by getting on the bike and practicing.
Sometimes you fall, sometimes you lose your balance. But every time you try again, you become a little better.
English works the same way. Your first conversation may feel slow. Your second one will feel a little easier.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They think people will laugh at them. But that usually isn't true.
Most people are happy to see someone learning a new language. They don't expect perfect English. They just want to understand you.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfect grammar. If people understand your message, you're already succeeding.
Let's imagine two students. The first student studies English for 1 hour every day, but never speaks. The second student studies for only 20 minutes and speaks for 5 minutes every day.
After a few months, who do you think will feel more confident? Usually, it's the student who speaks every day. Practice changes everything.
Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Confidence grows every time you use your English.
I remember my first English conversation. I forgot easy words. I spoke very slowly, but I finished the conversation, and that made me proud.
That's a great example. You didn't wait until you were perfect. You started with the English you already had.
And that's exactly what we want for everyone listening today. Don't wait for perfect English. Use the English you know right now.
Maybe you know only 100 words. That's okay. Those 100 words are enough to start small conversations.
You can say simple things like, "Good morning. How are you today? I'm learning English." Those simple sentences are powerful.
Every fluent English speaker started with simple sentences. Nobody was born speaking perfect English. Everyone was a beginner once.
So don't compare yourself with someone who has practiced for 5 years. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday.
If you learn one new sentence today, if you speak one more minute today, that's real progress.
Here's today's small challenge. Before you go to sleep tonight, speak 3 true sentences about your day. Say them out loud. Don't worry if they're simple.
For example, today I listened to a podcast. I learned something new. Tomorrow I will practice again. That's enough.
Remember, speaking English is like building a house. You build it one brick at a time. Small daily steps create something strong.
So stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment may never come. The best time to start speaking English is today.
Believe in yourself. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep using your voice. Every sentence you speak brings you closer to your goal.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We hope this episode gave you a little more confidence to start speaking English.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, Don't forget to follow Daily Talk English. We'll be back very soon with another fun and helpful episode.
Take care, keep practicing, and remember, don't wait. Start speaking English today. See you in the next episode of Daily Talk English.
Take care, keep practicing, and remember, don't wait. Start speaking English today. See you in the next episode of Daily Talk English.